Somebody with a Dodge Stratus somewhere is probably crying. Alright, we're headed off to the scrapyard. We'll dump all this crap, get rid of that car. First I need to dump a little bit of gas in so I can make it to the gas station. If anybody wants to guess what this will weigh, comment below. They take two guesses. Guess what it weighs loaded with all the crap in the car, and then guess what it weighs just the truck and an empty trailer, or empty truck and empty trailer. Alright, we're closing in on the scrapyard. There she be. Well, you can't see much, but that's where we need to dump at. That part is I used to work at this place, but it wasn't a scrapyard at the time. We built trailers there. The guy done it sold out to this guy. Looks like we got somebody washing her off. He gets off the scale, we'll pull up there. Good to go. I don't know where he wants us at. Looks like it might be a mud hole in here. Guess we'll pull over that way. Unhook the car. We'll have to unhook the trailer. Worst part about these places, I hope we don't get a flat tire. Well, we're completely unhooked. I think for him to come over here and pinch her off. Here he comes. Stand back. Pinch that bitch off. Bye-bye, car. Blob. That's gotta be fun destroying shit. Somebody with a Dodge Stratus somewhere is probably crying. Putting on a good show for us. Or if that's going straight in that trailer. He's probably wondering what in the hell I'm doing holding the phone. Still smashing her. Oh shit, it had gas in it. I didn't even know that. That's water. Could have been water, I guess. There she goes. Bye-bye, Dodge. Bonk. That's cool. Yeah. Had a little bit of fun today. He's probably having more fun than me smashing a piece of junk, but yeah. That's funny. Beat that Dodge to hell. That's too much fun. Oh well, we better unhook and pull off the side and hook the trailer. Alright, trailer's unhooked. We need to junkyard and go over to the pile there and dump. I'll get backed up over there. Alright, we're backed up to the pile. See if we can get this tire iron out of there. Would be flopping us down. Alright, he got her flopped down, but it fell out. Deal I still doing. Shit's all getting caught. Again. Tailgate falls out of the steel and stuff don't want to come out like it should. Need to do some redesigning there. Let's drag the rest of this crap out. Alright, got the trailer hooked back up. We took about 10 times the back and forth to get it hooked up. I had to clean some of this glass and crap off. Trailer's hooked up, now you get turned around in here. Just help to pick my block up, ran over it. Well, we're back on the scales. We're good to go. Take the broom back in, I borrowed the broom from him. We'll see if this thing weighed. Well, I got her weighed. Got paid. But I'm not gonna say what it weighed on this video. I'll wait till the next one. I want to see if anybody comments down below what they think it'll weigh, and maybe somebody guesses it right, they'll win something. Well, we're back on the road and heading home. Everything went pretty good. So I got a problem. Front tire on that side's not looking too good. Hopefully it doesn't blow out. Looks like I can make it home. Coming up into this little town. We gotta go through this town. I was gonna stop at the gas station in town here to get some gas, but I think I better just go straight home. Hopefully we do not blow out a tire. That won't be good. About 3 miles from home, so hopefully the tire holds up. When we get back there, I'll show you what it looks like. I'm only running about 40 mile an hour too. If I started running 50, 60 mile an hour, I think it probably would let go. Now we're in the driveway. This tire didn't blow out, but drive up here and park and have a look at it. See how horrible it is. Yeah, let's have a look, see at this tire. Of course, it's mud all over it. There you can kind of see it's bloated. Got a slip belt in it. Yeah, it's pretty much flat there. It gets there and it peaks up. Anyways, at least I made it back. I just need to get the trailer unhooked. Got some more stuff to haul. I figured I'd have more trouble with the back tire than the front tire, being as those are kind of weather cracked. That's actually a spare tire off my ramp truck. But I do have some more tires, but I don't know if they're on rims. But that's going to have to be fixed before next time. If you enjoy the stuff, like, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching.